Alright, we got ourselves a 1988 Honda CBR 1000F, formerly known as the Hurricane. I like that name better than CBR anyways. Don't know why really they got rid of it, the name. They were talking about insurance issues. I don't see why a name wouldn't affect the quote of insurance, but it does. As you can see, got a brand new all glossy black body paint job with the custom tank. Nice pad, pro grip pad. Keep it protected. Nice ghost flames, red ghost flames. Even got a little LED in there for all them haters at night. As you can see, I got the fairings off. I was just rebuilding the carbs. Had to tear them out. A lot of work just to get to them. You see, I put a lot of work into this. Not your regular Hurricane. It's one of a kind. Got the pegs, custom pegs in the back. Got the dual Yoshis, as you can see. Ripped out all that undertail bullshit, as you can see with this. All that is gone on this bike. What else? Got the spikes in the windshield and some in the fairings. All custom. Got the nice tire paint. Everybody's hating. Like I said, this Hurricane is one of a kind. I've actually tried to look up custom Hurricanes and I have not come up with anything close to it. Well, let's start her up and see what she sounds like. Let there be light. Alright, just a little preview. Next time we're going to have her all dressed up and ready to show. You 2008 CBRs, watch out. I got a couple people in my pack with them, and all of them are all haters. Because my 21-year-old beast is still keeping up with them and pushing past most of them. So all you motorcycle enthusiasts, this is where it's at. Honda Hurricane. Come get it.